going on? What's going on?
That's right. It's a little scary rectangle.
Get it.
What?
No? Get it. Put your hands in the water.
Gross. I pee in that water, Mommy.
Oh, you say that.
I don't want my hands in there. That's gross.
Hey, get those two teeth. Get those two teeth.
Hi.
There we go. You'll freak out, huh? We freaked out. Oops, oops. Don't you get tired? No way. See your face when she gets going. She makes like a I'm gonna get it. Your turn.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Hi. Are you getting tired? You want to sit up? Oh, there we go. What do you think of this? Not too bad, huh? No fun at all. All right, we get you out. We get you out. Oh, we're mad. Oh, we're mad. Come on.
Now we'll get some good kicking.
Yeah, exactly. You ready?
Nice legs.
Now comes the screaming. You ready?
No.
Say goodbye. Oh, whoosh. And then we cry because we hate to get out. We hate to get out.
And that's bedtime.